Best practices for Afterpay BigCommerce integration is crucial for a seamless and secure payment experience. To start, ensure you have a BigCommerce store and an Afterpay account. First, install the Afterpay app from the BigCommerce marketplace. Then configure the app settings by entering your Afterpay merchant ID and other required details. Next, set up the payment method in your BigCommerce store by going to the payment settings and selecting Afterpay as an option. Configure the payment settings to determine the minimum and maximum order values for Afterpay, and specify the countries where Afterpay is available. To provide a smooth customer experience, customize the Afterpay messaging on your store's product and checkout pages. This includes adding Afterpay banners and product badges to clearly indicate which products are eligible for Afterpay. Ensure that the messaging is clear and concise, and that customers understand the payment terms and conditions. Another key aspect is to test the Afterpay integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. Test different payment scenarios, including successful payments, failed payments, and cancellations. This will help identify any issues and ensure a seamless payment experience for your customers. In terms of best practices, it is essential to regularly review and update your Afterpay settings to ensure that they are aligned with your store's policies and procedures. This includes updating the payment settings, messaging, and branding to ensure consistency across your store. Additionally, ensure that you are complying with Afterpay's terms and conditions, as well as any relevant laws and regulations. This includes providing clear and transparent information to customers about the payment terms and conditions, and ensuring that you are handling customer data securely and in accordance with data protection laws. By following these best practices and steps, you can ensure a successful Afterpay BigCommerce integration that provides a seamless and secure payment experience for your customers. This will help to increase customer satisfaction, reduce cart abandonment rates, and drive sales for your business.